All right, it is time to break this camp here at Mittry Lake near Yuma, Arizona. It was a very nice day. I think we were here for 6 days, 5 nights. Had a few mixed weather days. We had some windy days, a couple rainy days, and a couple really nice, sunny, beautiful, clear days. It is starting to slowly warm up here, so that's been very nice. Awesome to have this waterfront spot. We were able to set our chair up here, have our coffee in the mornings, had a couple campfires. Just very, very beautiful. So it's time to move on. We've got to go into town to take care of some business. Kelly's got to get her truck into the shop for a little bit to get a quick repair done, and I got to stock up on supplies. So we'll be moving on to our next camp soon. The adventure continues. Well, just hanging out here at this Sunset Point Park. This is very nice. A nice little quiet park, and a little bit of information on this board here. This is on an Indian tribe reservation land, the Quatsan tribe. You can see their name there. A little bit of information on them. That might be too small for you guys to pause and read, but I'll try to bring it in frame for you. And it sounds like there's a little trail that goes around here. There's some traditional huts down there to check out, so we'll go take a look at that. I did get in touch with my friend Kelly, and her part came in, so she's heading over to the Chevy dealership to have the part installed. She has a newer truck, so it's under warranty, so she's having to go through the dealership and get that taken care of. Then we're probably going to head out of Yuma today and find another camp. And here's a little replication of their traditional style huts. I don't know how close this is to how they originally used to do it. Obviously there's nails and stuff. I'm sure traditionally it was all lashed together with palm fronds and such. And you can see they just pack mud in there in between the sticks to make the walls. And actually, as I step in here, it's quite cool. It's pretty warm out today, out in the sun, and inside here it's a lot cooler, and you can feel the mud or the dirt here is nice and cool. Kind of neat. Of course, it's collapsed over on this side, but still holding together everywhere else. Well, most of you know that I'm not really a city person in my travels. I usually don't spend too much time in the cities, but every now and then something comes up, kind of like today, where Kelly's needing to get her truck worked on, so we need to stick a little bit around town. Usually the first thing I do when I am going to spend some time, or I'm kind of grounded in the city, is I start looking up city parks on Google Maps. It's such a great place to hang out during the day and kind of still be somewhat in nature and not in the hustle and bustle of the city. So city parks have served me very well throughout my travels for day use. Very nice. Usually they have restrooms and trash receptacles. They even have water faucets here. I could get some water. So yeah, city parks, check them out. All right, it is time to move on. Let's get back on the road. Welcome to Nevada. Goodbye, Arizona. Hello, Nevada. It's been a while. Feels good to be out of Arizona for a little bit.
Tomorrow to get there.
Well, this is the day we've been waiting for. The wind has finally died down. We're waking up to a nice calm morning here on the lake. We put up with about 5 solid days of extremely high winds in hopes that it would die down so we could actually enjoy our time here. It's been nice, but the wind really is stifling when it's 30, 40 mile an hour winds. So we'll probably do some kayaking today. We went out last night for a sunset paddle. So we're gonna try to get out this morning and do some exploring on the water. What's up, buddy?
Hey. Come here often?
Where are we headed?
To the cove.
To the cove.
To the back.
Water is so clear here. Beautiful. All right, tonight we're doing English muffin pizzas. I have an assistant, as you can see. I've pre-sliced some thinly sliced green bell pepper and tomato. And again, they are thinly sliced. And while Kelly is prepping the English muffins with our tomato pesto sauce, I am heating up the cast iron skillet, which is going to be where we try to cook these. And I've been bragging a little bit that I kind of have this whole thing down, so I'm kind of under pressure now.
Lots of pressure.
So we're going to see how this turns out with our toppings. Oh, and our cheese. We got cheese too somewhere, hiding over here behind a beer.
Tell us a little bit about the pizza.
Well, you did the honors of getting it nice and saucy.
It looks saucy.
It looks very saucy. And what we had the discussion, okay, do we put cheese and then toppings, or toppings and then cheese? So maybe you guys can leave in the comments what is the preferred way to do it, but I'm thinking cheese.
Ooh.
A little cheese.
Okay.
And then toppings and then a little more cheese. I mean, we've only got so much real estate to work with here, so
everybody loves cheese,
here.
except for those that are lactose intolerant.
Right. Or the vegans.
They do make good vegan cheese now.
They do. Okay, so we got a little bit of that.
Okay.
We said we wanted to go with a little bit of thinly sliced bell pepper.
Just the way I like it, thinly sliced.
Nice. How did I know?
Tomato.
All right. A little bit of thinly sliced tomato. And actually, I guess we could have done a little more.
Oof. Epic fail.
Maybe we'll just evenly distribute.
What?
You feeling
skimping on the tomatoes?
Feeling skimped upon?
Maybe just skimp on yours.
Okay. Now we're talking. I'm all right with that.
I'm just kidding.
I'm all right going a little light on the tomato.
I'm kidding.
3 each?
Yeah, that
you
sounds
still
good.
gotta get cheese.
We gotta
on
get
it.
cheese. Yeah, we do.
So this might be too much.
Never too much.
We like it saucy, and we like it, and we like it cheesy.
Messy.
I get a little wild with my cheese.
Noted.
You're gonna learn a lot about me in this process of making. So I may not see Kelly ever again after this night. All right, let's close it.
Put a lid on it,
Put a lid
buddy.
on it. All right, we're gonna take a little look-see here. Really, the trick is to not check it too much, but of course I don't want to burn them, so let's take a little look. Oh yeah.
Now we're cooking.
All right, it is time for the taste test. We did add a little bit of the Tapatio to give it a little bit of spice. Hopefully this won't be so hot I burn my mouth. We've been letting it cool a little bit. Here we go.
How is it?
I'm not just saying this because I made it. It's pretty good.
We made it.
Oh, there. I think you will approve.
Oh.
That's good. All right, Kelly's going to give it the taste test. What do you, good?
Cooked to perfection.
You don't have to lie. Honest. Be honest. That's good. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you're all doing well out there, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Peace.